What's up, you guys? It's Chauntae and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be on a green cut crease, halfway cut crease. So I'm actually live on my iPad. I'm live on this Facebook group. So now I'm just going to record my look as I'm on the live. So I'm just taking this brown out of this palette right here back into this palette, and I'm gonna use this green color. I'm gonna put this right in my crease area. So I'm taking this palette. This is just a regular color palette. I also picked this up from Five and Below, and not Five and Below, but Five Below. As you can see, this is my favorite palette to use for color. I'm gonna take this green color right here on this Real Techniques Deluxe crease brush. I'm gonna take another BH Cosmetics brush, cut my crease. So I'm going into the Zodiac BH Cosmetics palette, taking the color Sagittarius. I'm showing you too. Oh, I did not mean to put that on that brush. I'm taking this color Rosewater to wet my brush before I go into that shimmer color. So here's that green color. And we just, oh my god. Oh my god, y'all, look at that. Shout out to you, looks so good. Thank you. I'm telling y'all, BH Cosmetics knew what they was doing when they did this palette. I'm taking this, this is the color Gemini. I'm filming for YouTube. She's not lying, get it, that's super pretty. Thank you. Color, well, yeah, it's champagne highlighter right here. And before I do that, I'm just going to use my Rosewater. Now we're going to go into lip stuff. Those are eyelashes. This is my lip stuff. Then I'm taking the NYX Lingerie. This is in the color Beauty Mark. And I'm just gonna put that right there. Then I'm gonna use this LA Colors matte lip color, liquid lip color. This is in the color Suede, and I'm just gonna put that in the middle. Take some just clear lip gloss. And you guys, I'm done with my eye look. As you can see, I am finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. All right guys, bye.